this video is somewhere off on a tangent. But anyway, if you come to Canada and you get a Starbucks drink, I didn't get a cup from Starbucks in the US, but this is the size of a Starbucks drink. This is a, I don't know what it is. You get a large iced coffee. We'll start iced coffee. I drink iced coffee. This is the size of a Dunkin' and a Starbucks iced coffee. In Canada, if you go to McDonald's and get an iced coffee, a large one, you get this. See the difference? Size? That's in Canada. The Tim Hortons one is the same size. Somehow I think I lost the Tim Hortons cup in here somewhere. But I had the Tim Hortons cup. And okay, yeah, we got two different sizes. One's like a super grande and the other one's a whatever hell large. What I don't understand, see, we'll use this. I drink the McDonald's. You go to McDonald's in the US and you get a large iced coffee, you get this. See the difference? You go to Tim Hortons in the US, and what do you get? Yeah, there's Tim Hortons in the US, and you get this. You get a big one. If you go to Dunkin' Donuts in the US, you get attacked by mosquitoes. You get this. How come we get gypped in Canada? And it's not going to be like, oh yeah, you're all getting fat because you eat too much supersize. I'm like, it's damn coffee. Or a latte or extra grande, whatever. But I mean, come on now, people. Look, Dunkin' gives us a nice sized thing. Half of it's ice anyway. You go to a Tim Hortons, like, oh, they don't like it's all ice. You go to McDonald's, they give you ice probably up to here, same thing. So you're probably getting the same amount of coffee, but how come the cups are bigger? Except for Shitty Bucks here. Why is there a difference, people? Even the Starbucks in the States, I think, might be the same size. I'm going to have to check that out. But people, come on. And when people say you're getting ripped off in Canada, it's true. And even the price of stuff, like, it's ridiculous here. Like, I bought what the hell was it? I go to Aldi's all the time in the States, and I buy stuff, and it's like half the price. And even the Walmart in the States, you buy one little, like even the bike parts. I don't buy them in from Canada because the same part from the same supplier shipped to Canada is double the price. So anyway, just wanted to point out that I don't like this. I don't like the size of the cups. I want cup sizes on this kind of cup, not this cup size. I want this. I like large cup sizes. Large cup sizes. But in Canada, we get $3 for this, and what US is like $3. I didn't really like the American Tim Hortons. Dunkin' I like. The McDonald's is basically just in case we don't go to Dunkin'. And this, I prefer the Canadian McDonald's over the Starbucks, because the Starbucks, I don't know, their coffee always tastes like super bitter and burnt, so you got to put a ton of cream. McDonald's seems like they use real coffee. I don't know. It's a burnt bean. I don't know. I'm not a connoisseur of coffee. I mostly like iced coffee, and I tell everybody I like a little bit of coffee with my cream. That's the way I drink it. If it's not as white as this straw, what's the point of drinking it? With that said, have a nice day. Like my channel, and I promise I won't do any more videos like this. I just wanted to rant about coffee cups. Yeah. Thanks for watching.